Line up on yourself because on the next.
All you wanna do is gas me.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate you. In this vlog, we're doing a game of filling the cup. Stay tuned.
See that she posts about this.
Hey, and it's spill.
No, it's not that.
No, when you full up.
When you full up.
Oh. So they say it might water so before you full up.
Get more.
Can we get on there?
Okay.
Oh, so anybody read parade, run over that time.
So you have full up because you're quick.
My turn.
We never show exactly like you.
Alright, see get rid of. Leave it, child, leave it. So you put one to the left. Alright, here we go. Ah!
Why you there?
Let's copy no, good enough.
Alright, watch me now.
So yeah, I think
No, you can't enough do it. I want to try to know.
Ooh.
It's roll over. Sit down.
No, I'm going to
That's not from the cup. Travel light. Yes, Shema, you have to look. Ooh! Shamara, you Shamara, it's me! It's going to be me! No, I'm scared! Oh my gosh! Yes, I look at him. Put up his feet dripping out.
No, but that car was not drip, but that me I did it.
Alright. Two box foot! Come on, Jason! Let me see you put some of that. Come on, Jason! Watch him, Shema, watch him! Watch him, Shema, right road! Watch him! Watch him!
Mike, come on, your box better than you say.
Come, other way. Huh. Two bucks. Hold on there. I don't go over. Alright? Guys, check this out.
You have to go like pills. Oh god.
Ooh.
That is good.
Ooh. Ooh. Okay, sit at the birthday girl, right?
You forget that blind?
Sit at the birthday girl. I need a blind. Alright.
Your turn.
Your turn. Your turn. Watch him, Shema. Watch him.
No, watch man.
Oh.
This one is going now.
Come in.
This one is going now. Anybody else come dead after this? You know? Anybody else come dead?
Look what's all you want already. You can do it right now. No, come on, Jason, don't thief. No, my turn.
No, you do already.
Oh, so you did it. That was a spit, Katie. That was a spit.
What it goes?
It's bad though. Watch him.
Watch him, are you how you turn up here?
You can't
You can't do that.
Oh God, you said
Again, I'm the birthday girl, so please avoid me.
there's no life for you. There's no way. You said you're not even a deal.
The pressure. The pressure. So bad.
Yes, drink hot air cup. You're cheating. You're cheating. Drink hot air cup.
Come. Stop touching him. Line up on yourself because of the next.
Yeah, they want to make you nervous.
What's your name?
Come on. Ooh, Jason. Ooh.
Jason Clark here.
Start from somebody.
Start from somebody.
No,
That's all. Oh, me think I said
Yes,
that.
my friend. What? What the? What? Shimmer!
Yes. Go away, puppy, please, sweet grandma. Go away, puppy, please, sweet.
I can't believe Jenny did that. And then meet you in person.
That's cheating. Walk away, puppy, please, sweet grandma. Walk away, puppy, please, sweet grandma.
Hallelujah. All right, Tom, let me see you. Ooh, a dress.
Hyena?
Yeah, why the fuck?
Hyena
Why the fuck? No,
Anything else good at that job?
Mom, you have to go for public.
Ooh, physics.
Bullseye. Right?
Oh, I got that.
Here comes pressure. All right. No, at first, when we come at first game, okay? We just started in the club.
Shema.
Right, but I can't get over.
Calm down, my brother. Stop right now. So Shema, what you do?
Right over the edge. 1, 2, 3, yeah. 1, yeah,
That man was there. That man
No,
was
listen to them. Jason have it now. Jason?
Except the 1 year.
Come on, move yourself. Alright, make yourself find a Jason now.
You still me not come and waste some time.
Jason, I try and buy time.
Damn. Shamar. Come on, Shamar. You can do it.
Well, me know for sure, say, you don't have to come back to me.
Yeah, you don't look like you can
You
come
can't
back.
reach back to me. Can't. You ain't never say you sorry for you.
Shema, you have it. If Jason have it, you have it too.
Oh.